Welcome to Chart Traders. Today you will learn a cup and handle chart pattern. So what is cup and handle chart pattern? Cup and handle price pattern on a chart is a technical indicator, or you can say it is a pattern that resembles a cup and handle, where cup is in a shape of U and handle has a slight downtrend drift. Okay, so a cup and handle is considered as a bullish continuous pattern, and it is used to identify the buying opportunities. Okay, so the cup and handle pattern is look like this. Okay, we have a downtrend taking support at some point, again went up. Okay, taking resistance at a previous point, again came down, forming a, so this is a cup. When came down, it forming a handle. It may be in a round shape also, no problem. It may be in channel, then well and good. Okay, so taking higher making lower highs whenever breakout happen. So first target is this resistance point, second target is difference between your this ellipse, that is a center to the ellipse, that is a target from this breakout. Okay, that is a projected target. Okay, so easily you can see cup and handle pattern on a different chart, identify breakout, what is the target, that is a difference between your this curve. Okay, ellipse. Okay, so we will see with the help of example. So on a NMDC daily basis, here it is taking a making a cup, and then it is a making handle. Whenever breakout happen, it is our target. So you can see the difference between this point to this point, that is around 34 point, and after this breakout, okay, it went up to 27 point. So it is not always that the target is achieved, but you can take you can book a profit according to your risk management. But according to the theory, the target is difference between these two point. Okay, that is a radius of your ellipse or a curve, you can say. Same way, right now on a sale, on a daily basis, it is forming a cup and handle pattern. Already breakout happened, then again came back. So we will see in future how it is going to whether it will go up or it will go down. Okay, if it go down, then it is a failure of cup and handle. If go up, then the target is difference between these two, that is around 20 to 28, that is 8 rupees. From 28 to 8 rupees, that is target is 36. Okay, so just keep on radar this sale. Okay, third is on a Bharti Airtel. Okay, on a weekly basis, it is forming a cup and then handle. Now already breakout is happen on a weekly basis. So you can see the difference between these 2 points will be our target, but according to your risk management, you can book a profit. Okay, but it is on a weekly basis, so time required to achieve the target is also more. Okay,